Just a quick tutorial here. I just want to show you how to use the Servitor worksheet tool that I've included. I've just uploaded it recently so we can access it from the YouTube channel, or if you're on the Esoteric Book Reviews Facebook page, just click here on my Servitor video. And this will take us here. It's the beginning of the Servitor. How to create more powerful results producing Servitor's video. Go to the description, show more, and over here you'll see the free downloadable Servitor Creator worksheet. Just click on that. It's on Google Drive. Okay, when that comes up, just click on it to download. Actually, if you see here, Google Docs does not show it accurately. So click the download arrow here, or right click it. Wait for it to download. Then open Word 2010 or higher. Is the software you need to access this. If you have Word 2007, I'm not sure if it works. So Word 2010 or higher, it will work. So here is the tool right here, Enable Editing, so you can actually use it. Okay, so what you do here basically is you're going to, when you decide to create a Servitor or work on your project, click on the date field. You can click on today's date or any date you want. You can scroll on the calendar, select the date. After you've thought about your Servitor's name, this is where you'll type it in. Pretty easy. Tab down. Whoops, I made a mistake there. Tab down the keyword. Let's just choose any keyword for this example. Associate a scent or an odor. Whoops. Scroll down a bit too far. Then you'll come down here and you can type up your intent and goal for the Servitor. There's plenty of space. If you need more space, you can actually just adjust the size here. It's up to you. How will the Servitor achieve the goal? So you type the steps. Who will it visit? Where will it go? For example, if I want to increase sales, I have maybe a list of clients I'm going to approach next week. I'll send the Servitor out and I'll list the client name, maybe the managers or the decision makers' names if I know. If not, I'll just type in here, go to this company, company A, visit the decision makers for sales, and then I'll list the steps on what it's going to do. It's going to project a feeling of connection with me. It will help set up the meetings with these people, etc., etc., etc. How will it achieve the goal for you? Over here, appearance and attributes, on the left, just below the description, you can click on it and insert a photo. Or a picture you've drawn and you've scanned in your computer. Boom. Just a small picture here. I have space down below for a larger picture. If you've done a sigil or a logo of it and then you've drawn a picture, you can insert it in those fields. And over here is where you can type up how it looks like, all the little nuances it has. But I also added the base look, base build and abilities field, where After you've done your write-up, you can look here for some inspiration, and you can choose. What's the base look? Does it look like a Roman god or entity or person or Egyptian, humanoid, insectoid, demonoid, etc.? Okay. If any of these don't meet your needs, you can just type over it. You can select. Looks like a dinosaur example. Okay. So each of these fields has a drop-down list which can help you figure out how it's going to look like, or if you want to customize it, you can just type in how it looks like. Okay, so abilities here, what kind of abilities does it have? It's going to help me close deals. Another ability, it's going to increase my sales. Another ability, it has the ability to, let's see, create a connection. It has another ability to promote my business or gain a meeting. They're customizable. So anyway, after you've done that, how are you going to revitalize and nourish it? You type in here. Where is its residence? Where is it going to reside in when it's achieved its goal, or you call it back, or when you're pre-birth gestating it? Okay, you describe it. Is it a crystal? Is it a stone? Is it something you've made? Is it an object? You describe it here. You'll type in detail the dissipation switch command, which you should have viewed and followed directions on the tutorial video. Once again, you can add a picture of your servitor. This time will be large size. Well, this should be the sigil. I've got that backwards, but anyway, just for demo purposes, you'll click here. It'll take you to your pictures folder on your computer, and you should have scanned in a picture you've drawn of your servitor or the sigil you've made. Same thing here. See, this is where the picture actually goes. Okay, got that backwards, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So this would be the logo or sigil up here and the picture here. It doesn't really matter. Okay, then down below we've got the checklist, Servitor Creation Steps checklist. Have you done this? Have you completed the intent goal of Servitor? Yes. How will the Servitor go about achieving the goal? Yes, I've written all that. So for every step that you have completed, you can, if you like, just check it off so you know where you're at. Okay. You may have just got up to the residence where it's going to reside, and then you're going to have lunch. You'll close the document. You come back maybe a couple of days later. You know exactly where you are, what you have to do. Okay, then as you go through the days of gestation for the servitor before birthing it, after each day you can check it off if you like. Down here there is space for notes, plenty of space. Okay, so anyway, that's just a overview of how to use this worksheet to create your servitor. It's a valuable tool, and you can then print it out. You can store copies in your on your computer or in your folder somewhere, and when you need it, there it is. Okay, so I hope it's of some use to you. Yeah, so enjoy. Okay, and I look forward to seeing you again soon in my next video. Take care and have a great day. Thanks.